Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are solving LeetCode question of 557 reverse word in a string 3. String question are very common in interview and this one has a fun twist. We are giving a string S representing a sentence. Our goal is to reverse the order of the character in each individual word within the sentence. However, we must prefer the space and keep the initial order of the word exactly the same. Let's look at example. Suppose our input is let's take LeetCode constant. If we reverse each word individually, we get S T E L E K T E D O C T E E L T S E T N O C. See what happened. Each word is flipped back, but they are all still in their original position, separated by space. What will be the approach to solve this? A great way is to use a two-pointer approach. We can scan through the string with a pointer I. We also track of another pointer called start, which mark the beginning of our current word as we move I forward. If we hit a space, it means we just reached the end of the word. We can reverse the section of the string from start up to I minus 1. After reversing, we update start to I plus 1 to mark the beginning of the next word. What about the very last word? Since there is no space at the end of the sentence, we can simply trigger our reverse condition when I reaches the end of the string. I equal s.size by using C++ standard library function stand reverse. We can perform this reversal directly in place. What will the time complexity? 0n, where n is the length of the string. We look at each character once during our illustration and each character is swept at most once during the reversal. Space complexity 0, 1. We are modifying the input string as directly in place without using any extra memory structure. Now I will do the code. After that, I will explain how the code works. Now I will explain how the code works. We start by declaring our start pointer int start equal to 0. This keep track of our current word begins. Then we write a for loop that goes from 0 all the way to s dot size incl- inclusive for int I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to s dot size I plus plus. Notice there we use I less than equal s dot size instead of the standard I less than s dot size. This is super clean trick. It's let us handle the last word without writing any extra code outside the loop. Inside the loop, we check if we hit the end of word if I is equal to s dot size s si equal to space. If we have we call C++ standard reversing function reverse s dot begin plus start s dot begin plus I. Remember in C++ the second iterative in standard reverse is exclusive, which is which is why passing s dot begin plus I is absolutely perfect. After reversing the word, we move our pointer to the beginning of the next word start is equal to I plus 1. Finally, after the loop finishes, we return our modified string s. This is the solution for LeetCode customer 557 reversing words in a string 3. Thank